Today I'm going to show you how to make a sheep go rainbow in Minecraft. Oh, oops, I just spawned a sheep. So what you're going to need is a spawned sheep and a name tag.
It hurts sheep's lives.
Yeah, we're vegetarians. So first you're going to need a name tag, and you're going to do the name Jeb underscore no capitals.
So
then
underscore
you're going to name a regular sheep.
You need to name
Jeb, and then boom, it automatically goes rainbow.
Ooh,
okay, Liam, do you want to do anything before I end the video? Okay, that's one thing.
No, I want to spawn a llama. That's. We won't stop the video until I tame a llama. Llama of the Liams.
Llama Liam. You should name the llama Liam.
I will. Llama. We shall not ever stop recording until I get my llama. I shall name to spawn my llama.
Okay,
oh my
guys.
goodness, I'm sorry for hitting you. I'm used to playing Minecraft on the PS4.
Oh yeah, that sucks. Okay. So I feel like ending the video right now since I already showed you guys.
Not until I own the llama. Yes! The llama.
Okay, guys. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to my channel. I don't know what happened there.
Wait. No,
Subscribe.
not yet.
What
You
now?
need to look at my beautiful llama.
Where are you? Why is there shape everywhere? Where are you? Are you outside?
Can you give me a carpet?
Yeah, sure. What? Oh, you want carpet? I only have a light blue carpet.
Yes, give me light blue. I love that.
Yeah, I love light blue. Here.
There, I need that for my
so
llama.
Thank you guys for watching.
No. You need to look at my beautiful llama.
Oh, that's pretty. Make it pink. Okay, guys. Thanks for watching. I hope you guys subscribe to my channel. Hit that notifications button.
So you never miss a video.
Yeah.
And
bye, guys.
Peace out.
Peace. Stay cool.
Never, guys, never drew.